Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up some Naruto cards. These are official cards from China by a company called Kayou. This is a tier 4 box from wave 2 I believe, or set number 2. And inside this box you get 18 packs that hopefully we'll be able to pull some good stuff. Now, as I said, this is a tier 4 box. And so you get a lot more pulls, a lot more bang for your buck. But these cards are not very expensive at all. You can find these on Aliexpress. Just search for Naruto Kayou cards and you should find some. But yeah, there's 18 packs. We're just going to get into it. Thank you again for watching. Oh, this is the first time I'm opening these up. And let's see. We got Shikamaru. This bro. Forgive me, I don't know a lot of their names. I'm just getting back into Naruto. Karen. Oh, dang. Are you for real? What? No way. SLR Jiraiya. Doing his pose, man. Look at that thing. It shines so nice. Oh my god. And then and then we got this thing too. Oh, this HR card. These are lenticular cards, if you can see. I don't know if I can do it right, but legit, y'all got to get your hands on some of these cards. I'm for real. All right. Give me a second. But yeah, I saw these cards online, and so I figured I need to get these because I love Naruto, and it's been it's been a very long time since I've seen the show, but this is starting to make me want to get back into it, legit. Naruto, Tamari, Naruto again, Naruto again. Oh, that's so cool, right? And this is an SSR, okay? This is like, oh gosh, how do you say it? This is like pulling a holographic holo card in Pokemon, I guess you can say. They pop up everywhere. Oh, look at them. They're so dramatic. That's crazy. But anyways, don't sleep on these two. These are like binder worthy cards, like for real. I'm sleeving this up too. But yeah, I saw these online, and so I figured I'm gonna buy these. And I also bought a brand new binder to put these into as well. I keep forgetting about the camera. Okay, we got Eno. This bro, I forgot his name already. Oh, this guy. Ah, another SSR Naruto. Oh, this thing. What is this thing? Oh, they're so sad. Oh man, look at his face. that's awesome. Oh man. All right, sorry. Give me a sec. We'll pat that to the sleeve later. We'll sleeve it up later. How about that? And then we got Sakura with Ninja Star, Karen, Shikamaru, who's my second favorite character. Oh man, that's awesome. It's a UR card, Sakura. This is like pulling like Pokemon V card, I guess you can say. And this bro, that's amazing. But yeah, look at that. That's so cool. Oh my god, legit, filming is so hard. Hard to focus. I totally forgot I made some stands that I'll show you in a second. We got Sasuke. Suigetsu, I think. He's always so thirsty. And Yamato. What? A UR card. Another one. Sasuke. Damn, that is so pimp. My goodness. Look at that thing. Look, and you see the texture in the background too? Like, for reals. Oh, look. Brotherly love. That's crazy. That is legit. But yeah, go to AliExpress, man. You can get these for a very reasonable price. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, this is like 30 bucks right here. 30. Oh yeah, I made these. If you're ever in a jam, you can cut up some Pokemon cards, just the energy cards, mind you, and you can make these things. Naruto, my boy. Sasuke. You want emo? This is Shino's dad. I forget his name. Oh, and then we got Gara. But seriously, look at that. This is an SSR. Like I said, this is like pulling a holo card, a holo rare in Pokemon. These pop up all the time, and they're like amazing cards. Dang. You know, I've never seen him use that fan, but it's okay. Into a sleeve with ye, and then we'll put you right here, and then we're gonna put this one right here as well. But yeah, legit, I totally forget how many pucks we got left, but we still got a good amount left, and we already got 3 nice pulls that have, those are off. Like I said, I'm just starting collecting these cards, so this is my first booster box I've ever opened. I was saving it for the video. And these cards are amazing! Look at this guy! What? The first. Dang, he's just like, no, thank you, you cannot pass. Shoot, that's amazing. And then this one. This bro who got the mouth on his hands and he makes bombs. He makes a lot of bombs. It's so cool, man. Oh gosh, I can't even tell you guys enough how awesome these cards are. And for real. So this is set 2, right? I think. And I believe the different sets have, you know, just like Pokemon cards or whatever, have different cards you can grab and stuff. But man, that's amazing. And like I said, this is my first video ever, so I figured we would do like the tier 4 cards, because Neji, what a bro. Because, you know, you get, like I said, you get better pulls, right? What the heezy is this? This is an AR card. Oh, Madara, he is so mad at somebody. Dang, look at this thing. And you can see the texture off the light. Oh my god. Okay, cool. And then we got him again. And dude, these are so great. I think I might have gotten him twice. I don't even know. Dude, these are so great. I keep forgetting about the camera. I'm sorry. But you know, once I get used to it, then yes, we'll see some more stuff. But dang, are you for real? Are you for real? Like, I waited 2 days to open these things up. Pakun, he's like, yo, all the time. That's great. 10-10. Shikamaru's dad. Ino. Dang, really? This is an OR card. You know that because it has like this fancy lettering and stuff. I have no idea what it says. But it probably says, here, you can have a kunai. It's okay. But dang, look at that thing. I swear, the art direction on these cards are amazing. Look at that. That is so cool. And I got her teammate messing with the explosive tags. Explosive tags are really cool. I like those things. Could you imagine? No, please don't imagine. That would be bad. I'm running out of these stand things that I made, but man, that's crazy. All right, let's. Sorry. Yeah, I figured. Oh, look, he's eating ramen. We got to get these cards, man. These are, like I said, official cards You can get these graded, I think, but you have to ask or something like that. I don't even know. But yeah, look at this. This is an SSR card, right? Hollow rare Pokemon. That's awesome. I'm gonna put this in a binder, you know what I mean? I'm gonna sleeve it up and put it in a binder. And Hashirama too. What? That's crazy. Sorry if this is taking forever, but man, you gotta savor the moment too, you know what I mean? But thank you very much for sticking around so far. I can't tell you the number of times I've tried to start this video. Karen, 1010 again. Gara, SSR, that's so cool. And then we got Kiba riding his doggy. Okay. Naruto. Hanabi, she needs to eat some more. It looks a little malnourished, but it's alright. Rock Lee tying his shoe. Being a bro. Shikamaru. Man. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. A UR Shikamaru hit. My second favorite character. This guy is so smart. Like for real. And then we got this thing again. Dude, that's amazing. Still got 5 packs. Oh, come on. Sasuke. Naruto. Kankuro. SSR Sasuke, dude, look at this thing. What? Man. And Naruto doing a Rasengan Ball thing. What? Dude, for real, man. These cards are so good. I cannot sing these praises enough, dude. Like, bro, I started collecting cards again like a year ago, buying Pokemon cards and stuff. And don't get me wrong, Pokemon cards are great. But hit ratios are bad. Like, your pull rates are so horrible. But these cards, man, come on. Rock Lee. I swear, she's like cross-eyed on purpose, maybe? Trying to break out of a genjutsu, Probably not. Bam, got another one. Okay, cool. We'll just set you right here. And then, yes, this is my favorite Hokage. He's like the coolest character design. Dang. Alright, cool. Sakura. Iruka, that's his name, sorry. Naruto. Orochimaru. Dang, he's so sad. Why are you so sad, bro? It's okay. Dude, man. I'm so glad I bought these cards. Alright, we got 3 more packs. Choji. Genma, I think. Kakashi with his book. Always reading that book. Dang. Minato. SSR. That's amazing. Oh man, and then Obito. Oh, look at you. You so mad, bro. You so mad. My goodness. Then we got this. Dude, the hand guy again. Daydara, you remind me of Vampire Hunter D. Yes, you do. Man, you and Sai, y'all went at it, I think. Rock Lee, no shadow punch. Awesome. Dude, that's amazing. Look at this card again. AR hit. I swear, these are like AR. I don't think they actually mean anything, but I'm going to call it amazing rare because I would say these are about the tier of like amazing rare Pokemon cards, which are awesome, by the way. I love those cards. All right, last pack magic. Last pack magic. First video, I think, is a success. We pulled some amazing cards in the background, if you can see. If you can't, I'm so sorry. Another SSR. Dang, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Look at these cards. Can you see? Oh, that's so amazing. Oh, all right, cool. But that was the first video of this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bonus time. I bought this for my pencils and stuff. And it came with these 2 packs. We're also going to be opening up Pokemon cards here too, so I don't know if this is bending the rules or anything, but we're going to open up some Pokemon cards too. Here's the code card, or like this, I'm sorry. Take it. Card trick. Alright, we need to pull something nice, please. Fire Energy, Cranidos, Pillow Swine, Troy, Swinub, Outfit, a cool fish, Nicket, Hippopotamus, Temple, and a Mammal Swine. Awesome. Alright, cool. Let's try this one. Evolving Skies has not been very kind to me, but we'll see what we get. There's the code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, did we get any heat in this pencil case? Skiploom, Elemental Badge, Spirit Mask, Cutiefly, Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup, Emolga, Zorak. Not bad. That's not bad at all. That's like pulling this card right here. Like legit. That's not bad at all. Alright, cool. Thank you all very much for watching. Bye-bye.